NeoSpeed is Avdel's revolutionary new speed fastening system. With ergonomic, lightweight placing tooling, it delivers rapid blind riveting for all manner of industrial fastening needs. Delivering a feed rate of up to 60 rivets per minute, this tooling presents the subsequent rivet as quickly as the operator can move from one fixing position to the next. As standard, NeoSpeed rivets are supplied in paper magazines for speedy tool reloading. They can also be supplied preloaded or be installed with our automated placing equipment. Not only is NeoSpeed riveting fast, it avoids the metal waste associated with conventional brake stem rivets. Each time a brake stem rivet is installed, typically 60% of that rivet by weight ends up being thrown away in the form of the spent pintail. That waste has to be handled, controlled and disposed of. With the NeoSpeed system, a reusable mandrel installs successive rivets with no waste metal at all. This is greener assembly, more efficient for the user and ultimately better for the environment. The novel placing action of NeoSpeed rivets breaks new ground for blind fastening. Grip range and tensile strength actually beat the best of brake stem equivalents. And yet the installed rivet weight is typically only half that of those competitors. So how does it work? Optimized through extensive application of the latest design simulation software, each rivet features 8 axial splines on the body. These expand outwards to fill the holes in both front and rear components of the joint being fixed. A unique ability to accommodate large tolerances of hole size and material thickness is unmatched by any other blind rivet available. The result for customers is strong, rigid and vibration-resistant fastening of assemblies in all types of industry. NeoSpeed. Rapid fastening, strong, versatile and no metal waste. Only from Avdel.